Hello and welcome. We, the students from Tyagaraja College of Engineering, are here to explain the single slope analog to digital converter. Instead of using a digital to analog converter with a ramped output, we use an op-amp circuit called the integrator to generate a sawtooth waveform which is then compared against the analog input by a comparator. The time it takes for the sawtooth waveform to exceed the input signal voltage level is measured by means of a digital counter clocked with a precise frequency square wave. The precision rate of a single slope A to D converter is high, whereas its speed is low. It has more accuracy. Here, the reference voltage is integrated, that is, if input voltage is positive, then the reference voltage is negative, and vice versa. It is used as a measuring instrument and is otherwise called as an integrating A to D converter. The circuit diagram of a single slope ADC is shown here. The reference voltage is integrated in the integrator and the output from the integrator is compared with the input voltage in the comparator, and the final output is then passed through the control logic and the counter, and finally the binary output is displayed.
Hello everyone, this is Rojarmini from Microchip team. I am going to explain the circuit diagram of single slope analog to digital converter. It consists of integrator, comparator, control logic, counter and display. Since this is a single slope A to D converter, the integrator of the circuit depends upon the resistor and capacitor. The analog voltage is converted into proportional time by using this integrator, and then the proportional time is converted into a digital value by using control logic and counter, and finally the output is digital output is shown in the display. Then working counter determines the number of clock pulses that are required before the integrated value of a reference voltage, which is equal to the sample input signal. The number of the clock pulse is proportional to the actual value of the input. Then the output of the counter is the actual digital representation of the analog voltage. Since the reference is the DC voltage, the output of the integrator should start at 0. Then it linearly increases with a slope that depends on the gain of the integrator.
Hi everyone, this is Kavya Jones. We are going to deal with a single slope A to D converter, and this is a graph for comparator and integrated output. The integrated output is linearly increased with the slope, and the counted pulses is directly proportional to the actual value of the input figure. And the next slide is applications of this converter, and this analog to digital converter is applied to many areas, and here we define that it is used in high resolution application, and next one is commonly found in low speed low cost application, and also measuring meters such as digital multimeters, panel meters, voltage or current meters. And also we are using this single slope analog to digital converter in monitoring DC signals, in instrumentation, and also in industrial markets. So further slides will be continued by Vijay Lakshmi.
Advantages of single slope A to D converter: its resolution is 14 bits and higher, very inexpensive to produce, low power consumption, very low offset and gain errors, it's highly linear, and it gives good noise performance. That is, noise will be very low in the single slope A to D converter. Let's see the disadvantages of A to D converter. Slow conversion, typically less than few hundred amperes per second. Sensitive, it's very sensitive. Negative reference voltage will be taken, so it is a major disadvantage of single slope A to D converter.